Did you know the washing machine began as a simple tub and a wooden paddle, turning dirty laundry into a quicker chore? In 1782, James King built the first hand-powered model, but true speed came with electric motors and spinning drums. A breakthrough arrived when engineers watched a wringer in action and imagined a drum that could wash and rinse automatically. Early designs heated water with coal, yet the real leap came with sealed tubs and the transition from manual to electric. Now a press of a button cleans mountains of clothes, proof that everyday objects hide surprising origins.